another stormy day in Florida. I'm gonna add this segment to the vlog. We're on Wingstop, basically my second house. I'm gonna introduce you Audio. He's my cousin. Then we got Jose Ortiz. Hey vlog, today we're gonna go to Daytona. We're gonna look at this super cool car. It's definitely an iconic car. I had to leave work a little bit early to go check it out with my friend. I'm not getting the car, he is. So we're just gonna look at it and he wanted me to help him decide. Alright guys, so you guys seen the picture I just put. It was an S14. It was super clean, it was red. And unfortunately he did not take the trade. He was tripping, he was like saying like the tires are worn out. He said the rotors. This man, they don't even say how much gas he has. This is how much gas he has in the Z. Nothing.
We're doing a challenge, guys. How long can the Z go with no gas?
Has no gas. He's been revving it. They don't even rev up all the way. He's still revving it.
Let me see my camera.
Unfortunately, due to lots of police around, they had to shut down the meet early. So, I mean, people are still ruining, but there's not much to see. Like, they like ruined it. Like, no one was doing anything, and then they just popped up and raided everything. So, tonight was a fail. We're gonna wait for tomorrow. Hopefully, it's better at Sonic's. We never really got to the meet, but we made one. This is me with the stock life.
That's my bitch.
Stance life look. Race life. All raced out. No.
I accidentally said bitch out loud. Like,
Clap life.
I just realized that.
About last night. I got pulled over. It was me and my two friends. We were just cruising, following the speed limit, and I see lights go off behind me. I'm like, oh, what could this be? And the flashing lights, I was getting pulled over. I was like, wow, my first time getting pulled over. So I pulled over to a little back road, and a cop, he said that he's pulling me over for my taillights. My taillights, he said that has no brake light. They do, but they're the strobing ones. And I guess they're not bright enough because he couldn't really tell. So I'm gonna mess around with the wires and make them brighter eventually. But right now we're about to head out to a car meet. Luckily he left me with a warning, so I got no points, no nothing, thank God. But yeah.